we are going to play with these colorful flower pieces. Wow, very beautiful and interesting. Am I right, my dears? Well, we will learn today their colors, count together and build fun shapes. Are you ready? Let's play. Well, my dears, what color is this? What color is this? It is red. It is red. Well, what color is this? What color is this? It is yellow. It is yellow. Well, what color is this? What color is this? It's blue. It's blue. Well, my dears, what color is this? It is pink. It is pink. Well, my dears, now we will learn red, yellow, pink, and blue. Well, now we will count together them, okay? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shapes. Okay, now we'll count them again together, okay, my dears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my dears, we have 10 shapes. Now we will build them in interesting and beautiful shapes. Okay, my dears, let's begin. Now we will build a beautiful flower. Okay, my dears. Yellow shapes I need. Now we need red shapes. Red shapes. Again in red. Because as you know, many flowers are red. So now we are using red shapes for building beautiful flowers. Okay, my dears. Wow, is it beautiful? What beautiful ideas! Wow, look at how beautiful flower, my dears. Did you like it? Oh, very beautiful. Now we will put it here. Now we will make circle. Okay, circle. We will use only yellow shapes. Okay, my dears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, my dears. It is a mystery shape here with a hook. Wow, look at, what do you think? It is circle, is it? Is it like first circle? Yeah, it's very beautiful. We need only yellow shapes and 10 shapes. Okay, my dears. And we will make triangle. Okay, triangle. Yeah, my dears. Now we are using only green shapes. Okay, my dears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6. Okay, 7. Oh, we must stick them very hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, my dears. Well, my dears, look at. Now we made triangular. It is very beautiful and we use only green and 10 shapes. Okay, my dears. My dears. Now today we learned colors, and we counted together that, and we will build very beautiful shapes. Which one was your favorite, my dears? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye bye, my dears.